What is up guys, welcome back to a new review. Today we're checking out the Bottega Veneta Orbit sneakers from Pancake. So first of all, they come with the box and the tags, which looks really good. There wasn't a strong smell and the shipping only took 9 days, so it took really quick. So all the information is down in the description, but here they are. Yeah, first of all, they look really good. The material is there, all the details are there. So yeah, definitely a cop. Also they're true to size, so if you're a size 9, they'll take a size 9. And yeah, the quality looks really good. So yeah,